If there is a Maine Mendoza arm transplant in black market, I would go the first one to line up for it. Verona! Can you take me there one day?
I took all my exes and then I broke up with them, so I don't know.
Last announcement. Many of you have been asking me where I got my glasses. This one. Very cute, right? Believe it or not, I got it for free.
Oh yeah!
And you can get it for free as well. First order from this company, it's free. You just have to pay for the shipping and delivery. But shipping, to me, I think I only paid $3 and that's about 120 pesos. For a new pair of glasses, it comes with frame, lenses.
Thank you.
And the lenses could be prescription lenses as well. Anyway,
Cool.
check the link down below. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Beyonce. Today's video, we're gonna be reacting.
Again, where's your frantic? Get me some water since you're there. Please? You asshole.
I had to get my phone because I have all the list of the names. By the way guys, before this video, we uploaded a video of me and Fabio recreating my Maya and Edward's photos from their mega photo shoot. So if you haven't seen the video, please check my channel because it's so much fun.
It was super fun.
We copied some of their outfits, their poses.
Spilled. Like a baby.
Like a baby. Aww. So today's video, we're gonna be rating Maine Mendoza's Instagram.
Oh.
Honestly guys, Maine Mendoza.
I saw it on some of the comments.
A lot. There's
Yeah.
a lot of Maine Mendoza. Maine Mendoza.
Yep,
Maine Mendoza.
yep,
Maine Mendoza.
yep.
Thump, pom, 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 books, pom, pom. Those are all the requests for Maine Mendoza.
Anyways, before we begin with this raid, guys, we want to thank you so much for all the support. I cannot believe how much we've grown in the past week, and it's been just because of you guys. So thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for supporting. And without further ado,
Let's get right into the reading. What time is it, Yani?
the library is open. It's reading time. I'm still wearing contact. Without further ado,
Let's read.
Maine Mendoza. Oh, I can't find her. Is that her? No, that's not her. Oh, here. Is that her Instagram? Maine DCM.
But
That
first,
must be her.
check out my Instagram, how beautiful it is.
I forgot about that.
Wow.
Follow him.
Follow me. Yeah. if
Follow
you
me
want.
too. So this is Maine Mendoza's Instagram. How many followers do you think? Let's bet.
I say
She has so many requests in the comments.
she does. I'm gonna put it big. 6 million.
I see 4 million. Oh, I'm the closest.
You
3
won.
million.
You won. I got to do the
The price is
dishes.
right. Hold on, I feel like I will love her right away because she is a tan-skinned girl,
Yup.
and I love those tan skin.
Yeah, I have to say the first thing I loved is the profile picture, so goofy right
It's
away.
so goofy.
She's like a sandwich.
So what's her personality like? We don't really know anything about her.
We don't know, but it's very cute. And the caption says, "No worries."
That's it.
I love it.
no worries
No worries.
for the rest of your
day. Wow.
It's a problem-free.
Change channel.
Copyright. What attracted me right away are her eyebrows and her eyes. Oh my god, I have 30 friends following her.
Oh.
Wait, go. Make space for Maine.
I am loving the first few pictures. I can see already a high fashion.
I can tell I will love her right away. Is that the second photo? Is she eating grilled cheese sandwich? Because that's her profile picture too.
Oh, maybe she loves grilled cheese.
Maybe she loves grilled cheese sandwich.
I do too.
It is a grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, it's a burger steak.
Oh.
Aw, she's trying to be relatable. That's so cute. I cannot stop looking at her eyebrows. It's like
Why?
It's like Volcán Mayon. It's a mountain.
Oh,
it's
it's
so high.
nice.
It's so flaky.
Yeah.
It's like you know how the divide sign divided by. So this one is very cute. Just chilling, lounging. My God, I love her skin tone. I love her skin. I cannot get over it. I'm gonna keep on saying in this video. You guys are gonna get annoyed with
I
it.
really like her lip gloss. That's beautiful.
I love her highlight. Look at that highlight. Look at the cheeks. It's glowing. I wanna see this. I wanna see all of her photos. Oh my
Wow,
God.
very cute.
She's such a Barbie. Like I feel like she's very girly. Last night's look for the leg for Maine for Mac campaign. Oh, she's like the face for Mac in the Philippines or something.
Look at that picture. Let's open it.
She has a magazine.
Wow.
cover. Maine Mendoza is a natural.
Wow.
Gosh, look at this. lashes.
That's all vitamin E oil.
Those lashes are like spider webs.
Oh, I
Damn.
love it.
No, she's so cute. Why is she so? I'm gonna keep on saying she's so cute. Look at that face.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what?
She's perfect.
You know what she reminds me kind of? Angelina Jolie.
Oh, the lips. That's
the
why.
lips.
Yeah, it's the lips.
She could also be one of the models. I can't remember right now. Look how different the face from here to
Yeah.
here. Let's look through these photos first.
I think it's the
Mac.
angle.
Yeah,
Mac,
she's the
yeah.
face for Matt. We don't know. Is that her kid?
Wow.
Happy birthday to you, Pugi. Wala kang magagawa. I'll be your annoying tita. Oh, tita. She's on aunt.
That's a cute picture. Very nice.
Her arms are so toned.
Yeah.
I want those arms.
She's fit.
You kind of have her arms because it's skinny.
See? Her. Look, guys.
No, you're too pale. You're like dying pale.
Stop.
I'm kidding. Aww.
Wow.
Nothing beautiful than a pure black and white smile photo.
Yeah. This
So
looks
cute.
quite vintage. I like it.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
something about this photo that says calmness, serenity,
Happiness.
cute.
I like the ocean, so I can't wait to be back in Philippines and oh, she can cook.
What's her background? Where is she from?
What?
She was probably cooking before being an artist in the Philippines. Look,
Maybe.
she was in New York working.
Oh wow.
Oh, she's such a happy
Wow.
girl.
So she comes from a background that is not like superstar right away. Maybe.
Yeah, so
I
she
love-
worked hard for it.
I love it.
So she has a humble beginning like
Yeah.
us.
Just like us, but we're still not super.
We're still humble beginning.
Wow, that pose.
Why? It's like she's so angelic in
Yeah.
her own way. She's like,
I don't even think it was pose. I think she was just waiting for something.
let's recreate the pose. She exhaled, I think. Like, she's so pretty.
Wow.
She's so pretty, and her tan skin is just perfect.
It's a beautiful color, yeah.
Like,
Who's that guy? Who's that guy? Show
her
me.
boyfriend? Maybe.
Oh, damn, he's cute.
Oh my gosh, she didn't tag him. I can't wait to click this photo.
Go for it. My God. The pose is amazing.
The whole photo is amazing.
Yeah.
The backdrop, the balloons.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Fierce.
Wow. Oh, it's Mega Magazine.
Yeah,
The one my
Yeah,
and
yeah.
She has a beach photo again. I feel like she loves the beach.
she does.
This photo doesn't have makeup anything on it.
She doesn't.
You can tell she has flawless skin.
Yeah.
She probably drinks a lot of water. I would never.
Oh.
A lot of beach photos. Oh my
Yes.
god, where's this photo?
Oh, cherry blossom.
Oh, in Japan. Cute.
Look, she
really
loves the beach.
She loves the
loves
beach.
water. We will like each
Oh
other.
my god,
Oh,
she
was
was
here.
here in Canada.
Niagara.
When was this?
Oh my.
January this year.
Look, she's wearing nothing. Isn't she freezing?
That's actually, I don't know why she's only wearing that. Because January is actually freezing cold.
Oh my.
Like, if that was me, I would be wearing that outfit and then a coat on top
5 coats.
and a scarf and gloves.
Oh my.
Why didn't she let us know that she was coming here?
Oh.
She loves the nature, she loves the mountains.
She's
the
very
beach.
into nature, water.
She went skydiving.
She's adventurous.
She's adventurous. She's my type of girl.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We like these girls. We like these people.
So what does she do in the industry? Is she
Wow.
a singer, dancer, actor?
Oh, bench.
Bench model.
Oh.
She was a bench model too, like everyone else. Like her Instagram is mix of like fashion and her personal things.
Yeah, I think it's a lot personal actually. She
And
probably
again-
handle it by herself.
Yeah.
And
For
I
real.
like this.
I love her body. I love her skin tone. I love her
Wow.
everything. She's so cute.
Yeah, yeah.
Comfort zone. See, she loves the ocean. She's Moana of the Philippines.
She is.
I've been staring at the
not
edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. Copyright.
Enough! Please. When it starts, it's the end.
It's a whole musical. Oh my god, all the beach photos. See what we predicted?
She loves it.
She loves it. She just loves it. Did she
Wait.
get married?
That's what I was asking. No, she's just wearing a curtain, is
I
she?
think it's mosquito.
Oh, mosquito nets.
Mosquito
yeah,
net.
yeah, yeah. Oh, now I see.
Mosquitero. She loves traveling too. Oh my god, another high fashion photo.
Damn.
Look at that arm. Why is that arm so skinny, please?
But the photographer of Mega is amazing.
For real. but I want that arm. If there is a Maine Mendoza arm transplant in black market, I would go the first one to line up for it. So hot.
Can you imagine your body with her arms? It would look so damn weird.
I get it. Oh my god, is that her boyfriend? Oh no, that's
Who is he?
the singer from the singer. What's his name?
Who?
The singer from the band
Coldplay?
Coldplay.
No, it's not him.
That's Coldplay.
Oh my god, Coldplay! For real!
That's
Wow.
so cute.
Beautiful.
She loves traveling the world, eh?
She really does.
And she went to London. I love London. I took an exact photo right here in this booth as well. Beach photo again.
Wow. This is big. She doesn't look like even like her.
Gosh.
Because that makeup changed her eye shape.
Oh my gosh, is that her? Verona.
Oh my god.
Ciao tutti. Comustai?
I've been there so many times. I love Verona.
Verona.
It's a
Isn't that
beautiful city.
Romeo and Juliet?
Yeah.
Can you take me there one day?
I took all my exes and then I broke up with them, so I don't know if it's worth it. Are you ready to break up? I'll take you. I just don't want to repeat history.
You heard it here first.
I want to save
Fabio
my
being a
chubby
hoe.
bunny. My chubby
Stop!
bunny.
Tell them how I am the fire.
Enough! We're not sponsoring your singing. Wow. Speechless.
I know she had a mole here. Did they add that?
No,
Her
it's your
face is so
screen is
different.
dirty. That's what it. Ah! Your screen was dirty.
I thought it was a mole.
Wow.
There you have it, guys. We heard your request and we did Maine Mendoza's Instagram raid. So you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. And
If you did, please subscribe to our channel.
Give it a thumbs
to
up.
my channel as well, because I have a yoga channel.
everything linked down below.
And like it, comment down below, and we'll try to get back to you.
Check the link below for the glasses if you want free
Yeah,
glasses.
but if you show them so dirty, they will never even click.
You guys have been asking what kind of glasses I've been wearing, so check down below.
What about me? They don't ask.
Thank
Anyways,
you guys for watching.
see you next time.
Ciao.